Red College Jung was transformed into two countries, Chaman and Tajikistan. Each country had two political parties. In Chaman, Chaman Liberal Party and Chaman National Party, while Tajikistan had the Insaf League Party and Qawmi Ittihad Party. Both countries launched strong election campaigns, with candidates trying their best to win voter support.
जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होगी वो इंशाल्लाह मैं हर ज़रूरत इनकी पूरी करूँगा।
हमने उसी बंदे को आगे लाया है जो डिजर्विंग है, जो वाकई इस मुल्क के लिए कुछ करेगा।
On voting day, candidates participated with full zeal and zest, casting their votes for their chosen leaders. After some time, the Election Commission announced the leaders of both nations, creating suspense all around. All activities were covered by the cadet media team, including print media like newspaper and electronic media such as digital news, updates, and video coverage. When the United Nations come to know about the event, we appreciated both countries for conducting peaceful elections.
के ताजिस्तान है, इन लोगों ने हमारे 40 नौजवानों को कत्ल किया।
दुश्मन मुल्क है चमन, जो अपनी हद पार कर चुका है। इसने एलओसी पे रात फायरिंग की है।
We will not allow anyone to challenge our country's dignity.
We will not tolerate.
Tensions are high. A cold war began between Chaman and Tajikistan, rooted in deep mistrust and fear on both sides. The terrorist group Tehreek-e-Ehtijaj launched a deadly attack in Chaman, killing and injuring hundreds of people. Chaman immediately blamed Tajikistan, claiming the attack was supported across the border.
This attack, currently Tajikistan was not involved, but one terrorist organization called Tehreek-e-Ehtijaj was involved.
Tajikistan denied the blame at the UN, but they lacked solid proof to support their official statement.
Due to the Tajikistan and Chaman overwhelming history, deadly killing people, the answer is simple: they have decided to take war.
The United Nations organization tried to host peace talks. After many attempts, no agreement was reached and diplomacy failed completely. With peace talks dead,
हम सदस्य मीटिंग करके वाज़ेह तौर पर मुल्क में जंग का ऐलान कर देंगे।
हम इस जंग में जीत कर रहेंगे और दुश्मन का मुंह तोड़ जवाब देंगे।
war is now a dangerous crisis that seems unavoidable. After the attack, tension rose between Chaman and Tajikistan, and both sides started preparing for war. Cadets quickly turned into soldiers, focused, disciplined, and ready for action. The assault course pushed them to their limits, testing strength, speed, and mental toughness. They climbed walls and crossed every obstacle with full power. After tough training, they took a short rest, getting ready for the hardest challenge. The route march began. 12 kilometers of rough track and old villages testing their endurance. With tired legs and heavy gear, they kept moving until they reached camp, exhausted but ready for what comes next. These camps build survival skills, discipline, and teamwork, a cadet's true strength. Once the camps were set, the first mission began, log collection. Both countries had 30 minutes to gather logs for battlefield use.
3 minutes 30 seconds.
After counting the logs, a short enjoy and stress event was held to relax the cadets and refresh their minds. The test began with a quick run, followed by a mines section where they had to cross carefully and calmly. Then came dead body lifting, where each soldier carried a teammate, proving unity and trust. After that, they crawled through mud and thick dust, pushing through tired bodies and tough conditions. The course ended with a final search task, completing the last challenge. Leaving the suspense of what comes next. Finally, the war exercises stopped.
मैं सदर तहरीके एहतजाज बोल रहा हूँ। मैं दुनिया के सामने आज सरेआम बोल रहा हूँ कि चमन पे हुआ हुआ हमला ताजिस्तान का नहीं, वो हमारा था।
After the attack was admitted by the responsible group Tehreek-e-Ehtijaj, the United Nations helped both countries begin talks.
This UN meeting has been in session to address important issue that has been happening between Tajikistan and Chaman.
I am clearing my statement that I am going to stop this war.
Both of you agree that the attack was the root cause of Tehreek-e-Ehtijaj. Now, both of these countries have just come to one table and have decided on one decision. And we should sign the Treaty of Peace.
Declaration of Perpetual Peace, the Republic of Chaman and Democratic State of Tajikistan hereby declare that the state of war is formally and permanently terminated.
Now we will be signing a peace treaty between Chaman and Tajikistan.
The Azmain of War Exercise 2025 officially comes to an end, making peace and stability in the regions.